Hello, everyone. I know I haven't made a YouTube video in a while. It's because I've been focusing on streaming in my day job and stuff like that. But today I have something new today. We're going to do an unboxing of two different products that I will be testing later and releasing YouTube videos of in the future. First and foremost, I want to thank Mackie for sending me these products. Even though that Mackie has sent these products to me to look at and have, um, I'm still going to be impartial when I review these in the future date. However, for this video, we're just going to be doing an unboxing, taking a look at what the products are, and give a general feel and consistency from just unboxing it. This won't be a review yet, but later on I will review these products separately because these are going to be going. I'm basically turning my whole setup into a whole Mackie setup. I've since upgraded from my Go XLR Mini to a Mackie DLZ Creator. I actually reached out to Mackie because I was having some problems with the product, and they actually took some of my feedback and wanted to speak to me directly. And because of my general feedback and everything like that, they wanted me to check out, see how this stuff would work with my DLZ Creator, see how everything works with it. So I'm happy to oblige. But remember, I'm going to be impartial when I review these in the future. However, for now, we're going to do an unboxing. So first off, what we have here is the MC-350 limited edition. This is the one that's in white. So it is the limited edition white. I forgot exactly the white color it's called, but it's just a white edition. So this is a limited edition, white edition. Exactly what it says. I'll show you what's on the box. Really nice packaging on the outside. These are closed back headphones. They have the 450s, which are basically similar to this, but they have a open back style. I can't really use that with a stream setup because I don't want the sounds going off of my microphone. Right now, I'm actually on my Rode Pod mic when I'm reviewing this, but we actually have a microphone too that we'll go into. But first off, look at this limited edition. So we got our handy dandy little Nut and Fancy knife here. Thank you again, Nut and Fancy. I miss your YouTube videos. All right. First thing you get out of this is user's manual. It has both the 350 and 450 on here. We're gonna set that down. As you can see, there's nothing else in the box. There's the box. There you go. I usually keep all my boxes. It's pretty nice just to keep all my boxes. It comes in this really nice carrying case already. Very high quality. It's got the Mackie logo right there. A little running man, as you can see. Oh, you got that silica. Do not eat the silica. Put that in the trash immediately. We got the headphones here, but I'm going to go through this link. There's another carrying case inside of it. Also a Running Man logo on it, which I'm assuming is all the cords and everything for this right now. So first things first, you got one of the audio cables, which is got a fabric weave on it. Really nice cable. I believe if I watched other videos and other reviews specifically on this, I think this is the one that goes into the actual headset. This is the standard 3.5 jack on this. Pretty nice length on it. Really nice, really high quality. This is probably the one I'm going to use. I really do like coil cables too. What's nice about coil cables is like they save a lot of room and space because they coil back up. You know, they stretch to what you need, and then that's all you need. This one, and this one's smaller. I'm assuming. Yeah, looks like. Correct. Yeah, you can see on this one, it's got the threads for the 1/4 screw on. And this is the one that goes in the headset. It's actually got the little things on there. This was the same way, so it's thicker. So that's exactly how it is. It tells you exactly which side to put in. It's not reversible in that sense. This one also does have the threading as well, so you know which side's the one that goes into the 1/4 jack that comes with this. This one's much shorter. This one looks like a standard phone style. This one's just standard 3.5 short cable. But it also comes with a microphone on it, it looks like. Yep. Either a microphone or... Actually, it's a play pause. So this one's for phones. God rest the phone jack. Apparently my cat wants to be reviewed too. Look at this cat. Boop. Yep. All right. All these cables over here. Now let's look at the actual headphones themselves. A little bit of dust on the inside, which I'm assuming is from the foam and everything. Emblazed Mackie Running Man logo on that on both sides. Obviously, left, right. Really nice headband. Like, let me just from structure this. Like, it's not it's lighter weight. It could easily be stored. Like, I would, if I was ever traveling with this, I would just keep the carry case that's with, because that's perfectly packaged and it gets it easy stored. So we'll get started. Ear cups look nice. They look replaceable. Nice. What'd you call it? Aerated foam on the inside. Go. I really like the white. It comes in black, and I believe they're Mackie green as well. But if I had to choose a cable that I'm going to use with this, it's going to be the threaded cable. Oh, another thing that I forgot to mention in this, it's got the 3.5 screw out. So I will be using that because I'm using it in my Mackie DLZ Creator, and I'm going to need that for the headphone jack. What I do like is it prevents wearage upon putting in and out, I've noticed, because they have these indentations, right? So you have to put it in the same way every time. So the wear is going to be uniform, I'm assuming. I'm assuming that's why that's fair. But there you go. I like cable stuff, but yeah, threaded cable, stuff like that. I really like how these things. Let's put this on real quick. Is that done? I'll have to adjust them a little bit. Hey there, kitty. Cat's loving the little box. But there we go on that. Let's see. I like the way these feel on my head. I can't wait to listen to them to compare it to my MSR7s. I'm not a super audiophile, but I am into good audio. But I can see this being good. And this is long enough to replace my other long cable. I could have just used the other cable as well, but I'm going to use the cables that come with it first. It's got, even the cable's got the Mackie logo, everything like that. I'm assuming this is very high quality. The cord in this, because I'm going to be plugging this up into my Mackie here in a moment. Put that back in there. I mean, it just goes in there perfectly right there. This is a really nice case. Like, I love this case. I love this case. I'm going to use this if I ever travel with those Mackies. I like them, or with any other headphones. All right, we're going to pause it there. Then we're going to get up to put the microphone back here. Get this cat off the unbox. Hey, everyone, we're back. We're going to be unboxing our microphone that Mackie provided to me. Once again, they provided this to me, but I'm going to be impartial when I actually fully review. This microphone is about $149.99. I would say its closest direct competitor, just from the pricing, is probably the Rode Pod mic, even though this is $50 more. However, it's $50 more, you get a lot more with it. So you're basically paying for the extra stuff with it. So you get a microphone stand, you get the microphone, you get a foam windscreen, and you also get a green XLR cable. At least that's what it says on the packaging. So you can see right here is the box. Really nice box. Made for content creators, high sensitivity, all metal design. Got a little bit of damage in shipping, but it's not a big deal. The foam, throw that on the ground. Here's the manual. Obviously, RTFM. Certificate of compliance with all like different requirements. But here we go. Let's go through everything else first. Oh, I like how they did this. So basically, they have the XLR cable. They have the foam windscreen like fit into it because it fits perfectly. So there you go. The foam insert, the foam windscreen. I probably won't use this. I probably, if it fits on here, hopefully it will. I'll probably use my Rode windscreen. It's a much more high quality one, but it is nice they at least give it. And I think the reason why they did it is how the microphone is. But there's the XLR cable, standard XLR cable, but it's green, Mackie green. There you go. If you like, I mean, it's nice. It's a nice green cable. This. The stand is actually down below. Let's look at the stand first. Just a screw it on anyway. Beefy metal. You could bludgeon someone with this. Not that I would. Do not beat anyone with your microphone stand for Mackie. Got a little nut there for your microphone, all that stuff. Ooh, I'm assuming that's what this is for. All right, let's open up the microphone itself now. Ooh, it's a beefy boy. It's a beefy boy. Yeah, that's where this thing goes. This thing goes right there for connecting to other things. Connecting. I mean, I guess you could connect it directly in the stand, but it's also for probably up here for mic booms. All that stuff. So that's just a little nut thing. This rotates. This is a beefy microphone. Oh my god! It's like we take off the windscreen to my Rode Pod mic. Look at that. In comparison, it's a thicker boy. It's a much thicker microphone. I'm assuming it's meant to be Shure SM-7B like. It's got the emblazing logos on it. Got a nice little thing on the back showing where everything's at. Assuming this is where the windscreen is. The reason for the windscreen, I'm pretty sure. And there it is. There it is with the windscreen on. I'm pretty sure the reason for it is to make it. I mean, obviously, this microphone's is meant to be a Shure SM-7B competitor. That's what it's for. And that's kind of gives it a Shure SM-7B look-ish. It can't be exactly Shure SM-7B, but that is what it is. That's good. It's on the stand. It is a nice stand. Like, hell, I don't know. I might use the stand. I don't know. We'll see how it is. Got a little bit of the green parts to it. But yeah, I'm not gonna fully screw it in because I'm not sure how it is. I'm actually curious. Let's take off this windscreen off of this. Oh, it might be a little bit. I mean, you could get it on there. You just with a little bit of effort. Oh, nice. I can get it on there. Oh wow, I can fit my old Rode one on there barely. I could probably dig out a little bit on the inside, but man, I mean that's not too bad. Stretch it a little bit. Oh yeah, it screws on. There you go. You get like a Rode. You could put the Rode windscreen that you can put on the Rode Pod mic on here. So that actually looks kind of nice. I actually kind of like that. Looks really good on this microphone. Anyway, let's get that off. Let's put that back on the microphone that I'm currently using. Obviously, yeah, it's like way easier to put on this one. It's not really designed to put on there. I mean, it's circular. Fine. I can understand why they give the windscreen though, as well, because I don't really see this doing much. It probably does a little bit, but look how thin that is. Personally, I think it's nice that they included it, but honestly, I feel like this is just. I'll be blunt. This is trash to me, in my opinion. I'm not going to use this. I mean, if I didn't have one, I would use it. But because I have my Rode one that I could just use on it now that I've already proven, I would. So I personally think this is kind of a waste because most people are going to, if they use this mic as their daily, they're probably going to do it. But beggars can't be choosers, I guess, because you're literally getting it free with the box. With it, so that's why you're getting that extra $50, I guess, out of it. Get a really high quality stand, and I mean, look at this; it goes all the way up. That is nice. This is a decent stand. Like, I could see this. Like, I actually have room to actually put this in front of my stream. Like, it would be blocking my stream monitor, but I don't use my stream monitor to look at, except for chat or to see everything. Like. This could literally replace. You put it right here. The only problem with it right here, it would get in the way of my mouse pads because it's on the thing. But for podcasters, though, like this is what this is designed for. This is designed to be basically a podcast solution. Like you buy 4 of these. You buy 4 of these for a podcast. You're already spending $600. That's only what, $200 more than a Shure SM-7B, or a little bit more than that. And you basically get 4 microphone stands, everything you need for a podcast right there with the stand and everything. I mean, this is probably going to be a decent podcast microphone. Also a decent streaming microphone. So that's the unboxing of these 2 things. please expect a later review in the future. It's going to be great. I'm going to be very excited because it's going to make where my Mackie DLZ creator is going to be all Mackie products, which would be kind of really cool. So I'm going to get to the first review that's probably going to come out is actually the headphones, and I'll be using that. And then after that, I'll probably do the microphone, or vice versa. I haven't decided yet, but I'm going to test both products at the same time. It makes the most sense. Might as well have both Mackie products on my DLZ creator when I'm using it. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, my basic comments on it. Headphones right now, totally great. So far, just from look and feel, they feel stiff and good. They feel comfortable on the head, at least for me. I've always liked cupped over the ear headphones. And closed back's fine. The microphone, everything on it seems legit on it. It seems like legit. I mean, I haven't tested the microphone yet. We'll have to see how it sounds. But I mean, this microphone stand that comes with it, I mean, that's where your $50 are going over the road pod mic. I mean, if you're looking at something and you don't have the space for it, you don't have enough, because like a decent microphone boom will cost you about $100. And if you don't have the cash, you're just trying to get started with streaming and everything like that, or content creation, podcast, all that stuff, this could get you going like right away. It's like one-stop shop package. You just get a mixer or something that could connect into it. Get yourself a Mackie not Go XLR, but the Mackie DLZ creator, the Rode Procaster Duo, any other mixer. Also like Elgato XLR solution, Elgato Wave. But obviously, this is probably going to sound really good on my Mackie product. At least hopefully so. And we're going to test in the future. So anyway, let's get stopped with this video. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if you need anything else, in the future, just feel free to reach out. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. We're going to go on further from here. And as always, live Kentucky. Be Kentucky. See you later, everybody.